If you're looking for the best travel agencies in India to arrange your next adventure tour, look no further. This video will present an overview of 5 of the top travel companies that specialize in tailor-made tours around India. With their wealth of experience and expertise, each agency is perfectly equipped to ensure every element of your trip is taken care of, from organizing necessary paperwork and permits, planning routes and itineraries, securing comfortable accommodations throughout your travels, providing delicious local cuisine options during meals, all while remaining cost-effective. Whether you are embarking on a first-time journey or simply want to try something new this time round, these tour operators guarantee an unforgettable experience exploring the sights and sounds across Indian cultures. Adventure tourism is becoming increasingly popular amongst travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore new places while pushing their limits outdoors. Unfortunately, traveling on your own to unfamiliar terrains without any professional guidance or assistance can be risky and intimidating. This is why it's important to choose an experienced travel agency when planning an adventure tour. They will help make unforgettable memories without compromising safety, as well as provide expertise in administering unique activities such as mountain treks or wildlife safaris. To make sure your trip is perfectly planned, finding a top-notch travel agency is essential. That's why we've put together this list of the best travel agencies in India to help you find the perfect one for your adventure tour. Read on to discover more about these great companies and why they'll be perfect for planning your ultimate vacation. What to look for in a travel agency for adventure tours. Number 1. Experience in organizing adventure tours. The best travel agencies in India for adventure tours are renowned for their expertise in organizing adrenaline-pumping trips catering to various interests and budgets. With their wealth of experience, these agencies intricately understand the nuances of adventure travel and meticulously plan out every detail to ensure the optimum blend of thrill and safety. They offer a diverse array of adventure tours, encompassing various terrains and activities such as mountaineering, trekking, whitewater rafting, and wildlife safaris. By collaborating with experienced local guides, these agencies prioritize not only the satisfaction of the thrill seekers but also the preservation of the destination's natural and cultural heritage. Number 2. Knowledge of local culture, geography, and regulations. If you're looking for the best travel agencies in India to help plan your next adventure tour, you'll want to make sure they have a good knowledge of the local culture, geography, and regulations. Make sure that you look for agencies with a deep understanding of local cultures so that you can feel comfortable participating in activities that are truly meaningful to the locals. You'll also want an agency experienced in navigating local geography. After all, trekking or mountain climbing is only exciting if it's safety first. Finally, regulations should be at the forefront. The agency must abide by all applicable laws and regulations when planning your tour so that your experience is just as legal as it is thrilling. With these tips in mind, you can ensure that your next adventure has all of the excitement and cultural experiences needed for an unforgettable journey. Number 3. Safety measures and emergency protocols. Planning outdoor adventure trips can be a daunting task. When looking for tour operators or travel companies to work with, it is important to discuss safety protocols and emergency measures they have in place before booking any tour packages. It is always a good idea to ask tour guides or tour companies what their protocols are and what precautions they take to ensure travelers' safety. Very good tour operators already have this in place as part of tour offerings, but for those that don't, travelers should be wary when selecting tour companies. Safety is of the most concern when traveling outdoors, so select tour companies that emphasize safety measures and know what to do in emergency situations. Knowing these key pieces of information prior to heading out on your adventure will help you enjoy and better appreciate the journey no matter where you decide to travel. Number 4. Availability of various adventure activities. India is a country full of adventure, and travel companies have begun to take notice. With some of the most spectacular sights in the world, travel agents have created high-quality travel packages that cater specifically to the adventurous explorer. From trekking through Sikkim's lush slopes to camping in chilly Ladakh, travelers can discover an array of activities, including paragliding, mountaineering, or whitewater rafting. India offers something thrilling for everyone, and travel companies like Destination Unlocked know just how to best serve their clients. They specialize in local trips and offer organized trips with the best travel agents in the industry. Insurance, they provide quality service, no matter what kind of exploration you're looking for. Number 5. Reputation and customer reviews. When it comes to travel in India, there are a multitude of travel agencies and companies vying for a customer's attention. It can be difficult to decide which travel agency is the right fit for you, especially when going on an adventure tour. That's why researching and looking at the reputation of travel companies is incredibly important. Customer reviews can tell you a lot about a company before you commit to their services. The most reputable travel agents in India offer comprehensive holiday packages such as accommodations, transportation, sightseeing tours and activities tailored with your individual interests in mind. Make sure that the travel agency or company you choose has both high ratings and excellent customer feedback in order to book the best experience possible on your next adventure tour. Here are the top 5 best travel agencies in India for adventure tours. Number 1. Adventure Nation. Adventure Nation has quickly become one of India's best-known travel companies to turn to for those looking for an adventurous holiday. With extensive experience in organizing adventure tours across the country and their knowledge of the local culture, geography and regulations, they have worked hard to bring customers a safe but exhilarating adventure. On top of this, Adventure Nation also provides travelers with a vast range of activities to choose from. Whether it's trekking through the mountains or rafting on the rivers, there are plenty of ways for adrenaline seekers to enjoy their travels. With all these features, it's no wonder why Adventure Nation is so popular amongst those who thrive on exploration and new experiences. Number 2. Thrillophilia. For those looking to pursue an unforgettable adventure on a tour, Thrillophilia should be the go-to travel agency. Located in India, Thrillophilia offers breathtaking outdoor activities, cultural adventure trips and wildlife safaris all over the country. From skydiving, bungee jumping and whitewater rafting, to camel safaris, birdwatching and tea garden visits, Thrillophilia has a plethora of activities that are certain to add some thrills in any traveler's tour. Not only do they offer adventurous tours like nowhere else, but they also help with hotel reservations, transportation services and vacation packages, giving customers the best overall experience from start to finish. Along with their friendly staff and expert advice, Thrillophilia is without a doubt one of the best travel agencies for adventure tours in India. Number 3. Responsible Adventures. For eco-conscious travelers seeking tour operators in India, Responsible Adventures is the perfect option. With a wealth of experience in organizing sustainable and responsible adventure tours, they are well placed to minimize the impact of tourism on local communities and the environment. Beyond tour organization, they also have knowledge of local culture, geography, and regulations that make them one of the best travel agents for India. Moreover, their stringent safety measures and emergency protocols provide peace of mind for tourists. Responsible Adventures is a tour operator and one of the best travel agents in India. The team at Responsible Adventures goes above and beyond to ensure that every tour, regardless of its purpose, meets the highest quality standards. Moreover, they have elevated customer service to an art form by ensuring that customers have access to all tour details and can communicate with the agency effortlessly. Number 4. IndiaHikes. IndiaHikes is a top travel agent when it comes to hiking and trekking experiences in India. They combine expert knowledge of culture, geography, and regulations while ensuring customer safety with precise protocols. Reviews have highlighted an impressive commitment to providing immersive and enjoyable adventure experiences, owing to the expertise of their guides and use of top-notch equipment. Considering price, quality, and service, IndiaHikes can be confidently chosen for the perfect trekking holiday in India. Number 5. Adventure 365 Days. Adventure 365 Days is one of India's best travel agents for adventure activities and tours that guarantee an unforgettable experience. Whether you're looking for a local or international tour, they specialize in organizing a vast range of adventures to ensure there's something for everyone. Whether you want to go trekking, scuba diving, rafting or paragliding, their expert team will help design your own customized itinerary to best suit your interests. Not only can they book the best available hotels and plan routes in minute detail, but their knowledge of the local cultural landscape, geography and regulations also make them a reliable travel operator throughout India. How to choose the best travel agency for your adventure tour. Consider your budget and preferences. When looking for a travel agency to plan your adventure tour, it's important to consider both your budget and preferences to ensure you have the best experience possible. Doing your research is vital so you can find an appropriate travel agent that not only offers services within your price range but will also be able to tailor the trip to suit your specific requirements. Research and compare multiple travel agencies. If you are planning an adventure tour, there are many considerations to make. Choosing the right travel agency is essential when it comes to having the best experience possible. The most important thing to do is research and compare multiple travel agencies prior to booking. Look at what each agency has to offer and examine different packages, services and types of tours offered. Compare overall prices including taxes and surcharges, as well as payment options. Assess different levels of comfort provided on trips such as transportation, accommodations and meals if applicable to determine which ones meet your expectations for your adventure tour. Read customer reviews and ask for referrals. When it comes to planning a successful adventure tour, having the right travel agency partner by your side is essential. It can be overwhelming when trying to sift through the various options and make an informed decision on which agency is best for you. To ensure success, there are 2 key steps that should not be overlooked: reading customer reviews and asking for referrals. Reading customer reviews provides great insight into the customer experience and allows you to gain honest information regarding their process, cost, and overall satisfaction with the agency. Discuss your requirements with the travel agency. When selecting a travel agency for your adventure tour, it is important to decide what you need and then make sure that the agency you are considering can provide it. Also consider the location. If the agency is located far from your planned destination, communication may be difficult. It is also important to look into their credentials and how long they have been in business. Once you've found a few potential agencies, discuss your needs with them so they will know exactly what kind of services and assistance you want. Confirm all details before making the final decision. When embarking on a fun and exciting adventure tour, one of the most important steps is choosing the right travel agency. To make sure that you are getting the best deal and quality from your chosen organization, it is essential to check their certifications and reviews from past customers. Don't be afraid to compare several companies or ask for deals or discounts if suitable. Make sure to check all the details of their itinerary against what was promised to make sure everything looks good from transport to food and accommodation options. Choosing the best travel agency for your adventure tour is an important decision. You want a travel agency that is experienced, reliable and provides excellent customer service so that you can enjoy a hassle-free vacation. First off, you should check whether the travel agency has experience in organizing adventure tours in India that match precisely with your requirements. Additionally, make sure to check licenses, credentials, and insurances held by the tour operators they are working with. The travel agency should also be transparent with their fees and services provided so that you can easily understand the costs associated with your holiday. Furthermore, inspect the reviews of previous travelers to ensure they are satisfied with the services offered by the agents.